On one of my travels, I ran into this. Now, there was a thrill I'd be sorry to miss. He spread out his wings and the sunlight grew dim. He took me in his feet, but I ran all with him. Oh, the most remarkable, extraordinary fellow. Simple.